What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you in another video. And in today's video, I'm going to dive into NFT's issues with Ethereum gas fees and a new announcement that is going to solve this. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free. So go ahead and check that out down in the description below, and it will also be pinned in the comments. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back. So we are going to jump right back into the NFT's issues with gas fees on Ethereum and a new announcement that is going to solve this. Now, anyone who has been using Ethereum lately knows that there is a serious problem with outrageous gas fees that are basically rendering the network useless to people who can't afford to spend upwards of $100 per transaction in order to use Ethereum or Ethereum-based tokens. This extends to Uniswap, 1inch, and yes, even NFT. In this recent Cointelegraph article, it outlines that Linkin Park member Mike Shinoda has recently discovered the power of NFTs. Quote, Mike Shinoda, the musician and co-founder of rap rock band Linkin Park, launched an auction on Rarible last night for Zora, a non-fungible token, music clip from a forthcoming song. In doing so, Shinoda joins an ever-growing throng of celebrities and influencers who are dipping their toes into the NFT space. Most people assume that NFTs are only limited to visually representing art pieces. This is just one aspect that can be used. You can also use music clips, video clips, memes, time lapses, and more. In fact, yesterday, YouTuber Logan Paul released a set of 44 NFTs styled as Pokemon cards to promote his new upcoming celebrity boxing match. Likewise, billionaire investor Mark Cuban realized some half-hearted animations on Rarible, and today is releasing another set where buyers can request personalized videos from the Shark Tank host directly. Pretty sweet. This just goes to show that there's a lot of untapped potential with NFTs, but what if you're not a celebrity and can't afford all the startup costs associated with high gas fees in order to create these NFTs on your own? There's a new player in town that solves the gas fee issue altogether, and it's Tezos. Tezos NFTs will now be available on OpenSea, one of the largest NFT marketplaces that previously only supported Ethereum-based tokens. They recently launched the FA2 standard on Tezos, similar to Ethereum's ERC 1155 standard, and has seen a growing interest from the community. Basically, NFT volumes have surged since mid-January 2021, ranging for over 4 million daily. OpenSea is the leading marketplace for dominating this space with more than 30% volume share. The OpenSea platform will list Tezos NFTs on its platform with plans to support for peer-to-peer trading very soon after. According to this press release from the OpenSea team, noted that the Tezos ecosystem attracts blockchain developers and product users that are, quote, frustrated with exorbitant fees on other blockchains, ADA and Ethereum. The development activity around Tezos also spiked recently with the launch of that FA2 token standard. An Ethereum Tezos Bridge wrap protocol will be launched soon, allowing users to wrap ERC20 tokens with NFTs on Tezos. The development learns that the TQ Tezos also announced that new NFT marketplace Open Minter, besides NFTs, the stablecoin and environment continues to improve as well. Hover Labs and Stably will also issue their Colibri and USDS stablecoins on Tezos later this month. Throughout the summer and fall of 2020, Ethereum has experienced periods of extreme network congestion. On some days, there was so much traffic on Ethereum that sending even a simple transaction could cost as much as $5 or $10, just sending money from user A to user B. More complex transactions that could cost anywhere from $50 to $100 or more. This is a bad situation to be in since it makes Ethereum unusable for the average person. While some scaling solutions will be coming out on Ethereum soon, it's not clear that these solutions will immediately fix this problem specifically. Tezos recently implemented the Delphi upgrade, which reduced gas requirements for executing smart contracts. Tezos claims that in many cases, the gas requirement may be reduced by as much as 75%. In other words, executing smart contracts contracts will be more than 3 times cheaper than it previously was on Ethereum. Fast transaction speeds combined with low fees could get some percentage of Ethereum users and developers to move over to the Tezos blockchain. The longer Ethereum remains congested and the longer that the fees remain ridiculously high, the more people are going to move to other chains like Tezos. This puts pressure on the Ethereum community to find a way to scale the blockchain sooner rather than later. So why Tezos? The CEO of OpenSea.io just released a blog statement where he stated the following in a short few words. Our first interactions with the Tezos community were centered around feedback from our experience with ERC 721 and recommendations on how the design can be a more powerful token standard for NFTs. Since then, the Tezos community has produced exactly that in the FA2 token standard, similarly to Ethereum's ERC 1155 standard, which has been seeing significant growth and interest. It's growing. FA2 supports a wide range of token types, examples fungible, non-fungible, non-transferable, etc., all in one single interface. We're thrilled to be able to contribute to this effort. Furthermore, we also find Tezos attractive because of its under-the-radar growth in developer activity, and Tezos development teams are rapidly advancing Tezos with network upgrades every 3 months. This upgrade cadence is possible because the Tezos community significantly lowers the coordination costs of executing network upgrades in a decentralized manner at scale. In November, the Delphi upgrade reduced gas consumption by 75%, and the next upgrade, EDP or EDO, set to go live on February 13th, adds an experimental new feature called Tickets. You can read about it here, I'll link it down below. A native permissions primitive that enables safer composability. In short, with much lower gas costs and a much cheaper way to create NFTs on the Tezos blockchain, this will be a much more compelling option for new users to the NFT space. In fact, when I create my very first NFT soon, I will most definitely be using it on the Tezos blockchain, as it now supports one of the largest NFT marketplaces in the world. In my opinion, this just marks the beginning for the digital art revolution as a whole. Think of the other possibilities, like musicians selling unique merchandise to their fans directly, and digital NFTs directly to consumers, or hologram artists that work with projection mapping and can sell unique light shows to venues and artists. Then if you want to take this even a step further, having the ability to use blockchain to license these creations and create a smart contract to ensure that you get paid on every single transaction or stream or license. And what about tattoo artists who want to make sure that their unique art isn't getting stolen, and customers can ensure and guarantee via the blockchain that they are getting an original piece of art on their body that no one can steal and no one can replicate because it's verified. These are just a few ideas on how I think NFTs will practically relate to the future of art, all artist-related industries, in the next 5 to 10 years. Trust me, if you create unique artistic content on any medium, you do not want to get left behind with this one. Until Ethereum 2.0 releases, which the official timeline is still unknown, Tezos has a real opportunity to steal market share and move a real valuable use case to be on the platform in which new artists will launch their respective projects. So what do you guys think? Do you think Tezos will bring a flood of new artists and creators to the NFT space, making it more affordable now that it's significantly cheaper and transaction fees that are Ethereum? Create NFTs on OpenSea? Let me know down in the comments below and give me your feedback on what you think. Go ahead and click right here to watch my video on crypto art, the future of NFTs. This gives a preview of the basics of what NFTs are and a deep dive into how they work. All right, see you guys in that video. Crypto Renegade out.